To My Cat by Rosamund Marriott Watson. 1809–1849 Half loving kindliness and half disdain, Thou comest to my call serenely suave, With humming speech and gracious gestures grave, In salutation courtly and urbane. Yet must I humble me thy grace to gain, For wiles may win thee, though no arts enslave, And nowhere gladly thou abidest, save Where naught disturbs the concord of thy reign. Sphinx of my quiet hearth, who deign'st to dwell, Friend of my toil, companion of mine ease, Thine is the lore of Ra and Rameses, That men forget dost thou remember well. Beholden still in blinking reveries, With sombre sea green gaze, inscrutable. End of poem. Read in Oceanside, California, on August 18th, 2007. This recording is in the public domain.